If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're fixing one of the most frustrating problems people deal with. Buffering. That spinning circle, that pause, right when things get interesting. It ruins the entire experience. And most people think, I just need faster internet, but that's not always the problem. In fact, many people already have enough speed. The real issue is how that speed is being used. Let's break it down. Buffering usually comes from three things: your connection, your device, and your setup. First, your connection. If your device is too far from your router, your signal weakens. And when your signal is weak, your streaming struggles, even if your internet plan is fast. So what should you do? Move closer to your router. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi band. Or use a wired connection if possible. Because stability matters more than speed. Next, your device. If your device is outdated, low on memory, or overloaded with apps, it won't perform properly. And that leads to lag. And eventually, buffering. So clear unused apps. Free up space. And make sure your device can handle modern streaming. And finally, your setup. Too many apps running. Too much clutter. Too much background activity. All of this slows things down. Streaming should be simple, not overloaded. So let's simplify everything. Fix your connection. Upgrade your device if needed. And keep your setup clean. Because when everything is working together, buffering disappears. And streaming becomes smooth again. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here, right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And remember, a few years from now, this channel will grow. And you'll be able to say, you were part of the journey.